Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So we are starting off with Nifty. So what happened in Nifty today is the market did hit our trailing stop loss on Bank Nifty, not in Nifty. Nifty we got an opportunity today at 9:30. We entered, immediately hit the stop loss, so we stayed quiet. Now again, what happened was exactly at 2:30. We again had another entry. My stop loss is at 2020085 and my target is 20205. Okay, so what am I going to do tomorrow? How is my action going to be? This is forming a resistance here. This price, that is 20,000 and 125 130 is forming a resistance here now, and this is a very good consolidation play. So if you guys see, market has been rallying for quite some time now. Basically from past 7 days it has given a good rally, so there is a higher probability it might go sideways. So what can we expect here is there will be few strangles and straddles in this area where option sellers will be looking forward to make profits. So if market crosses anywhere 20,000 and 230, I'll be looking forward to buy. Till then I don't have any positions in this. I mean any new positions. If this hits stop loss tomorrow, it's totally fine. We're going to take it and we're going to stay quiet. Okay, so that's it for Nifty. Next, let's see Bank Nifty. Just a minute, let me just clear these off. Okay. Next is Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, we had a stop losses here. Yeah, we had a trailing stop loss here exactly. This was a trailing stop loss. Got hit in the morning today, and after that I was waiting for it to breach this level. It did breach here, but immediately the next candle came down. I wanted to sustain here, only then I'll be entering. So what happened was, nor it breached the levels what we expected, or it broke down, but it was surviving in this location. So here there is a new resistance or support which is getting formed, that is this price 44,250 to 260. There is a new support forming, so many sellers and buyers are interested in this price. So here strangle and straddle is present. So what will we do? We don't have to get caught in this act now. Okay, we don't have to get caught in this price action. So we are sticking to the same setup, that is 44,650 and above is we are buying, and 44,235 or lower is what we are looking forward to sell. Both the side we have good targets. On the upper side we don't have a limit, but lower side we do have a target of 43,770. On the upper side we don't have a target because the market is on its all-time high. Okay, so next is US oil. US oil, I just cleared the charts. Let me just mark all the levels once. Market later. So this is a good resistance, a new resistance, previous support, resistance, and this is a trend line. Okay, so this is how the market is now. It's in an uptrend. Okay, the higher probabilities it will come here again, hit the support and then go up. Only if it breaches $79.29, I'm looking forward to buy it now, and $81 would be my first target. That is 1:3. On the selling side there are too many supports here. This is a support, too many supports here, so selling it won't be on a good idea because it might hit the support and then come reverse up. That is what will happen. And the market's also bullish. Okay, so let's look forward only to buying, and if I see any positive momentum exactly at $75.90 pies or $76, I will be looking forward to buy it because this trend line will act as a support. Okay, so I am positive about US oil because this is a negative trend. If you guys see, this is a negative trend. It has to reverse from $80 or so. Before that I'm not expecting any kind of reversal, but who knows, price action might do anything. So let's see what the market does and then trade it. Next is gold. Gold, we did not get an opportunity, so we did not trade it, but if it breaches this trend line below 2025 or 2030, we'll be looking forward to sell it. till then we don't have any trades in gold. We have 4 swing trading stocks today. First one's Pidilite. Pidilite on a weekly time frame is in a good triangle pattern. This is a good triangle pattern, so if it breaks anywhere 2605 and above, if it survives, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it. And my first target will be 2720. Second target will be 2890. These are the two targets for Pidilite. Next is HDFC Asset Management. HDFC Asset Management was in a downtrend, consolidated uptrend, downtrend. This is a good consolidation. This is a good consolidation. This is more than enough for buyers and sellers to change the direction of the market. So here it became bullish. This is a good bullish candle. So tomorrow, if it survives anywhere about 2975, I'll be looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss would be 2790 or little lower, 2825. And target is, we don't know, we have to trail the stop loss. According to the trailing stop loss, we will see how the targets work. Next is LT. LT, we discussed this yesterday. It did not breach the level today, but tomorrow I'm expecting it to breach it. Once this is breached, that is 3130 is the price I'm looking forward to buy it. 3100 will be my stop loss. There is a higher probability for market to reverse from here, take support from this trend line and then go back up, because that's how price action works. So if you guys see, this is up, down, up, there is a probability, then it might breach. This might happen. So let's see tomorrow, but the candle has to survive this location here. It has to survive 1 or 2 candle for me to buy it in 1 hour time frame or so. Next is Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement has given a breakout on a daily time frame. Okay, this is a triangle pattern. This is an ascending triangle, and no, this is a descending triangle, sorry. So price action is higher, low, sorry. So the price action is higher, low, higher, low. These lows were taken out, but after this it started going up. This high was taken, so that is the only reason I am bullish in this, because this high was taken and it sustained. That is the only reason. And moreover, if you see, the overall market is bullish. Okay, so overall market is bullish. This is a consolidation and this is a squeeze. After the squeeze, it is trying to breach. If it breaches, definitely at 440 I will be adding more positions in this, and 470 will be my target. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like my content and got something informative. So thank you so much. If you guys like my content, please like, share and subscribe. Definitely it'll be appreciated. Take care. Bye.